let me just basically say how impressed I am with Ethereum, full stop, period. And that when I think about this as a regulator, I think of it almost analogized to email versus the internet. If Bitcoin is email, a one-trick pony, so to speak, but obviously revolutionary, Ethereum goes far beyond that. It's more like the internet.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Guys, remember the New World Order book is going to open up your eyes, plus the third eye, which is the most important. Also, I want to thank those who actually donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at the store. Remember, ladies, I definitely have something coming for you also. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We did take a little dip, like I said yesterday. We'll probably take another little dip tonight. As we see the stock market is taking a dip, we know the Fed, it's like a state, is pumping both. So once we get up to this range, of course, we have a pullback. Now, we know back is here. That's why we're pulling back. But just like I said, we know that the Fed is pumping both. Now, of course, we're going to look at the indicators. What's going on with XRP? XRP, of course, is going down. Of course, that's our indicator. Let us know that we're going to be headed down. Also, look at the actual stable coins. Just like I said, basically, Tether has been getting pumped a little bit. USDC, not a lot, just a little. But we know when it's close to that 99.9, we know that we'll be headed up. When it's way above that dollar, we know we're going down. But XRP is that indicator to let us know which way that we actually headed. Because sometimes they do pump Tether along with the regular pump. That's why you have to make sure that you keep your eyes on Tether's market cap and also USDC and the other stable coins. Now, just like I stated, guys, we're definitely waiting on that stimulus to give us that big pump. But right now, of course, we're still going to take an increase after back. And then, of course, at the end of the month, we have CME, Binance, OKEX, and not so much in BitMEX because of course, the law situation. But definitely we have to watch out for that at the end of the month. But we will have a pump in between, guys. It happens every single month. But just make sure you are staying focused on those dates. Now, getting over into crypto news, guys. We have Bahamas Central Bank, the Sand Dollar, wants to make, of course, it global, interoperable with the other, basically, central bank CBDCs. But, guys, we know that we had Christina Lagarde speak about the Bahamas Central Bank. We know the Rothschilds own just about all of them except for about 2 or 3. Now, basically, also, we have Gemini and Kraken have support for Filecoin. So, guys, if you're an investor, make sure you're looking out for that. Now, we have Ethereum Foundation has a new smart contract language fee for the ecosystem. And we know Ethereum's mainnet 2.0 is close, guys. It's very, very close. We have Polkadot BTC coming, guys. A tokenized Bitcoin on Polkadot, first quarter of 2021. And guys, you know we'll get a second stimulus package, so we know that's going to take off. Now, eBank aims to set up a digital financial platform in New Zealand. Guys, we know this is definitely going to be global. Everything will be tokenized, including the legacy market. Now, Grayscale sees more than $1 billion in new investments in Q3. So, guys, make sure you are keeping up with Grayscale investments. We know whatever they're investing in is booming except for their, of course, DeFi investments. But everything else is booming, so make sure you keep up with that. Now, we have Mark Yusko says that we're going into a bankless society due to technology. Guys, we know all brick and mortar and, of course, our retail is definitely going to be changing. Everybody understands that. Now, $1 billion of ZIL staked in a few hours. So guys, if you are invested in that, make sure you're taking advantage of this staking, this free money. Remember, we can't get any free money and the real economy. But in cryptos, there's free money everywhere. Now, of course, it has been a pullback as far as the percentage of the staking, but definitely it's still there. So just like I stated, it's free money. Now, two of the largest container carriers are joining IBM and Merce blockchain, trade lanes. So guys, we know our whole supply chain is going to be on blockchain and be tokenized. That's the reason why VeChain is going to play such a big pivotal role in this. Supply chain means everything. And if you have not learned this from the C word, when you went to your grocery stores, when you went to the retail markets, you saw the supply chain get interrupted. Blockchain and, of course, tokenization is going to change all of that and make it so much easier. Now, we have JP Morgan coming out saying that Bitcoin is slightly overvalued as a commodity. Anytime JP Morgan comes out and says anything negative, you know to do what? Buy, because something big is going to happen. And we know this. We know when this stimulus package comes. And of course, we're going to have another stimulus. We'll have a little one now. And then we're going to have a big one in January. Whoever gets Republican or Democrat is going to make even more liquidity out there that's going to dive into these cryptos, guys. So definitely Bitcoin is going to take a big pump. Now, lastly, we have the gamer of Super Mario Smash Brothers, Ken Suzuki, of course, part of the SBI, getting paid in XRP. So it is official. He's getting paid in the stablecoin XRP. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. And guys, don't forget about the stocks, the stock channel, guys. Make sure you're keeping up with that. Remember, the legacy market is going to be tokenized. It's not going anywhere. So definitely get yourself in position so therefore you can invest. Or if you don't invest, just subscribe so you can keep up with the news. But basically you have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your gaming, your banking. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about the at-home stocks. The C word, don't forget about the biotech stocks. And then while everybody's sitting at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? That's right, drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.